how to download Google Play Store app on iOS device. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. In the Safari address bar, type in Play Market and hit enter. This will take you to the Google Play Store website tailored for iOS device. Now just click on the Google Play Store and there it is. Now all you've got to do is click on the save icon shown below. Scroll down and click to add to home screen. And you can rename it as your preference. Here I will write Google Play Store and click on the add option above. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Google Play Store on your iOS device using a simple workaround. Now, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.